Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change the download location in your Google Chrome. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, let's start. You all you have to do is go to your Google Chrome. Okay guys, here in Google Chrome, click the three dot on the upper right side on your screen and find the downloads. So okay, click download, and here in your downloads, okay, click the gear icon on the upper right corner. So okay guys, here you can see the download location. So click this. So okay guys, now you can change the download location from phone storage to SD card. So okay guys, choose the SD card and click done. So okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. So okay guys, thank you for watching.